Nothing in there though, but I'm glad. I'm gonna send this to a man.
Boy, I like to step on that joke.
Look what the air guy just found. Watch.
Yeah, they did. Look what the air guy just found.
Send it to him. Let her know where we go.
Yeah. The first time I hit him way back there.
I saw you jump. We were like, what are you jumping for?
I'm glad my grandson seen him.
Go over there by here. Nobody stand by here.
Alrighty. Oh, y'all come on. Now, them little girls ain't scared. You scared today. How y'all doing?
Hey.
Y'all trying to set me up down here, ain't you?
I just got here like 5 minutes before you did. I probably walked right past it.
You probably did, don't you? He up in that corner. Oh, yeah. Hey, how you doing now? Alrighty. Oh, that feel good in here. What about what air conditioning y'all got acting up?
This was leaking.
What was leaking?
In this closet machine.
Now, you want to work in a place like this where it's cool it ain't. I don't know. They move that. Set that over there. They ain't in school yet. Get it out the way. Line open up the closet and find a snake in there. Jesus, snake. Uh-oh. Let me see this. That's a go out there. Lady do she have the key to this thing. That's do she have the key to this door. If it don't, we're going to have to try to force it open. Yeah, watch for snakes in there.
Yeah.
What they doing? What was the leak? Oh, right here?
Yeah. And like this whole carpet when we come back in here was soaking wet. And under mine is leaking too.
Okay.
You can see where it's all.
Okay, yeah, we're going to do some. All right, D, we're going to have to.
No, the filters, all the filters need to be replaced.
We're going to have to move this D all out there. I want you to take that panel off right there, D. Get the tool. I mean, look at that filter, see what it looks like. Get that out of there. Oh, this thing probably going to be cleaned out.
Yeah, this one and the other one.
Right. Take that
It's
filter out.
already collecting water again, and we mopped it. We cleaned it all up.
Get that filter out of there. Get that filter out, D.
Yeah. Y'all can roll the carpet over too if you need to.
Ooh, y'all ain't got no filter. Golly. This thing gonna need a servicing. That's what it's gonna need. I think the last time I was here, let it on down, D. Let it on down. Now, see, slide out to one side. Get this out the way. Slide this out the way. There you go. Just get that one out the way. Look at that filter. Look at that thing. It's completely stopped up. Golly. Man, we probably gonna have to go to hell and get one. What? I don't know why that would be stopped up unless the people. Ooh, man, you ain't joking. The thing got 2 drains on it. Yeah. 20 by 25 by 1. You remember that? We're going to have to go to her. 25 by 25 by 1. Don't worry about the one. 20 by 25. Okay, this thing here, yeah. Sit over there out the way. Let me tell you what I want you to do. I'm going to go check good. Cut this off, D. Cut this off over there and check this drain on this thing.
It's off, right?
No. You can cut it off here. It's off? Let me see. That's gonna be off there. Let me see. Yeah, that's all messed up. That's cool. Oh, yeah. Because ain't no numbers up
I
there.
said the air got killed. And thank God he came and look at the air. I don't know what to do.
These things.
He would ran out here when he came back.
Yeah, we're going to service this one.
Gotta
Complete
save it.
service, yeah. Let's, all right, she said the nothing was leaking.
This is the one we came in here and missed the whole rug though. We had to take the other rug out. And now you can look and see.
Yeah.
They do look around.
Yeah.
Look around the central. Small in central.
You know, when I used to go to the earth.
Okay. You ain't on the track.
Excuse me.
Football. Small, you said it's small.
I think it's one in here, D. Check that filth in there. Check that filth in there. See it over here? We're going to be down here a while. I can tell you right now because that thing is free now. You get it? Oh, D, that little old thing there. Wow. Them things they've been changed since the last time I changed them. Take it out. Yeah. Get that now, D. There's no water in it. No, that's right there. So that need new filter. Need new filter on that. This is doing pretty good. This is doing pretty good. I think we got one more. Let's go ahead, D. Let's go ahead, D. We don't forget to have to come back and put that in there. I think it's one in here. And boy, I've been all over this place. Yeah, that wasn't there. Pull that filter. You know how many filters? Got to get 20 by 25. Let's just take it out here. And the water in there.
Dry.
That's all. Let's leave it in there. Oh, snakes in there. So the worst one we got, D, we're gonna probably wind up being down here all day long, and yeah, I just told him take him and scoop him up, just throw him out there in the field somewhere. And then put the whole back in the truck, D. Yep. I wonder where he come out at. Huh?
He went in there when the man started spraying that poison.
Right.
Yeah, he was spraying poison all morning. I think he just got to him.
Huh.